Alright, so I had to start again. Because I messed it up. This is family-friendly content. And I managed to mess that up. But anyways. Nobody really messed that much. Except for the chair that's plagued me so long. I finally finished the task. And I'm freed from the slavery of this termite. A termite. I worked for a termite and I am a beaver. Anyways, give me your money. I accidentally messed up. But anyways, here's the throne. I'm gonna sit on this every day. And I'm gonna crush any termites that are beneath. But anyways, old Daddy-O here wants to talk to his son that also went missing for like a year. Apparently, because I had that secret again where you get blasted through time and space. What? Alright, I'm gonna actually do a voice for this one. Your dedication. Your dedication makes me wary. Okay, we'll recap and run the gamut of emotions while we do it. Termites, you just got freed from their slavery. Oh, so sad. Mother fell in a pie I ate. I say creepy things. Now here's another acre. Go make yourself useful, you stupid, dumb hedgehog. Wait, you're not a hedgehog. Have I been lied to my entire life? Maybe I have. I'm losing my mind anyways. Oh, I got a trophy. Isn't that so nice? I really don't care. Whoa! My hand back and forth, and my hair back and forth, and I'm dead. Ah! And that's still haunted. It's still haunted. I'm still losing my mind. You might ask where I got the chair from. I got it from the stupid bird. He took me on a journey through time and space. We drowned, and I found a chair. That's what happened. Oh, great. You're gonna make me go through. Maybe if you just tell me what it meant, it'd make more sense. You got a problem, Mr. Frog. Your arm is going through your leg. Okay, we'll ignore that. Let's go on a frog quest. Mr. Frog, Okay. Let's go. Ding! 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 Alright. I object. Give me your food and thing. Ow! Let's go. Dong ding. Alright. Time to create a thing. This thing. I don't know why. Why did I need to create it again? I don't know. For some reason, when I got hit by the coins, I thought like a nuclear bomb was about to go off, and it's like the beep, 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 and then boom, and then I was just gonna be blown away by the bomb, not blown off. Alright. Well, I mean, they're kind of the same thing. This room. No. Yeah, this is a room now. This room is so beautiful because of the stars around it. Well, I hate this room anyways. Let's get out. Ding dong, ding dong. This thing scares me. Alright, my quests are gonna be done soon. I just need to build this. And I'm not worried about the diamond saps or the moss lumber. I'm worried about the chrome tubes because, like, they're so hard to find. And they're super annoying. Because, like, they're the worst. They're like the worst. Like my hacking noise. Yeah. I'm gonna do Roblox next. Oof. You know what? I'll spare this one since it's hit 50,000 years old. Oh, that's funny. Alright, you're gonna have to get old again. Oh, you're red! Oh, that's nice. You're dead now. You're not red, you're dead. Alright. Okay. Oh, look, 2 others have reached the years of 50,000. I might as well just take out all of you and replant you. We need 20 million trees, okay? 20 million trees, Mr. Beast. 20 million trees. That was a lot of wood. I may be going slightly insane now, sniffing all this wood. Wait, what? Okay. Sniff. Snuff. Sniff. I got wood. You got wood? It's a lot of wood. And it's family friendly. Alright. This is YouTube. We gotta be family friendly here, alright? We gotta play Chicken and Sons Egg Co. We're playing some chicken. We're playing chicken, guys. Don't you like some chicken? He likes chicken. Alright, I'm gonna let the rest of these trees rot for 1,000,000 years again. Out of the way. I may slightly be going insane. Look. Oh, wait, I actually am. There's tree monsters. I just realized this. I'm yelling. People are probably trying to sleep, and then my obnoxious little butt is over here like, I'm screaming. Yeah, okay. I'll be like the Fruit Punch Man or whatever. Be like, oh yeah. Alright. Nobody's gonna get that reference. Except for like a couple people. Steal my stuff. Alright. What, don't you want to steal from me, Mr. Crow thing? Yeah, I called that seabird a crow. A seabird. Birds that live in the sea. The seabird that watches over the sea when he goes to the seabird house. These things are constantly growing, but I'm constantly killing them. Alright, I'm safe. Away from you. Kinds of you. Yeah. Yeah, okay. You can steal from me. Okay. Oh, wait. I have my chair. I don't need you anymore. Oh, good. Frogs. I wonder why I don't find any termites here where there is clearly a bunch of wood. There's wood here. Where are the okay. I'll just ignore that. Dang! Yeah, I can use that. I just ran out of those. So... people can clearly tell I'm tired, but I need to create my YouTube. I bet nobody's even watched my first video. I quote, first video when there was one before it that decided not to upload because, yeah, I talked about it in the first video. I was like, how about you hurry up? I ended up deleting it because it wouldn't hurry up. Pang, 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 pang. Thank you for carnivore. Acorns are carnivores. Acorns are carnivores. Ah! Yeah, I'm so happy about your little party going on down there with your creepy mushroom friend. Alright, let's continue. Give me your money. Give me. What am I doing? It's like Okay. That thing freaks me out. It's like that noise, don't you? Like from the Pelons, just Ding dong, ding dong! Where's my ding dong, ding dong? Yeah, you chomp that tree. Alright. Okay, we continue now. Alright. Oh, it's almost been 20 minutes. Wow, that's when this video ends. Ow! 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 The original start of this video that got deleted was actually a pretty good start. I got a chair, and I got all this stuff, and it proved that I didn't hack the game to get the chair. Which I've tried to do before, but I don't know how to. So there's your proof. Hacking this game pretty hard. No, hacking this game is pretty hard. Not it. Pretty hard. It's just a jumble of letter code, so I don't know what anything means. Time travel. So I don't know. I did not knew. I did not know what I was doing, and there's just a present here, laying. Are you trying to scare me now, game? This is not Five Nights at Freddy's. Get out of here. Anyways, it's a thing. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I don't know how to YouTube. This is my third video. Technically my fourth. I don't know what I'm doing. It's hard to YouTube, guys. It's hard to YouTube. Plenty of people have already said that to you before, I bet. But it's true. If you're not a YouTuber, you don't know what it's like, man. The media will hate you. It's so hard. Ow, ow, ow. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So it's time to go. And the frog squeezed. Queesh. What was that? Can I Why? Why does nobody understand you? Out of all people, you're like an angsty teen. Jesus Christ. Give me everything you got. Did I just get? Oh my God. Hold up a second, Toonie here. No, put me down. Put me down, you sack of birds. You sack of crap. Get out of here. Yeah. Stop kidnapping beavers like me. Eek. Eek. Oh no, my parents are home now. It's gonna be all loud now. I'm gonna have to end the video. But first, I'm gonna build my robotic machinery. And, gonna have to make it quick. Go. Go. Get rid of you. I don't have enough. Now I'm gonna have to end the video before my parents start making